Howdy, y'all. Good morning. Welcome to my stream. If you're not already subscribed, by the way, click that subscribe button down below and turn on your notifications so you'll see when I'm on. This is a quick stream to show you if you have the issue that you can't see the icons on your desktop. I had this on my small laptop yesterday and thought maybe I should, because there's a lot of misinformation out there. It's insane. I thought, well, I'll make a little video about that. So if you can no longer see the icons and you click on this and what you see is .url. See how I'm hovering over this? I don't know, you probably can't read that, but instead of what's written there, you will have a .url on the end of it. Okay, that just means Windows has screwed up. There's a shocker. Something for us. Let's go up here to the Start button. Let's click on the Settings. Okay. I'm in the way still over here. I'm put myself down here. So the Start button, click on the little Settings wheel here. Okay. Shoving myself back and forth a little bit here. Now we're going to go to Apps. Then we're going to come here to Default Apps. Okay. Now what we want is we need to go to the bottom of this list because what we want is right here. It says Choose Default Apps by File Type. Click on that. Takes a few seconds to load that because there is a ton of file types actually in the back end of your computer. So we want to come down here until we get to the URL. Now your URL, if you're having this issue, your URL probably looks like this. Okay, it says choose a default. Windows has emptied out the default for your URL shortcut. I don't think that Microsoft knows why that happens, or else they probably would stop it. Let's be honest with each other. Click here, and the only choice you have is the pretty little blue house. Click that, and that will fix all your shortcuts. And I'll show you. I don't know if you can empty this out. Oh yeah, I'd have the Microsoft Store disabled. I don't use the Microsoft Store. Anyhow, half the programs aren't in there anymore. So that's how you fix that. This is, by the way, I just updated this morning. And this is so they can mich kreuzweise. Just default apps to the bottom. Default apps by file type. Okay, and there's a lot of other issues you might be having with your computer that you can go in here and check and see if these are properly assigned. Okay, I think it's a great piece of general knowledge to have. So I thank you for joining me. I hope this helps someone. If it does, give it that big thumbs up down below. If it doesn't, leave a comment. Maybe we can figure something out. Okay. So thank you, and y'all have a great day. I'm going to be gaming, and we will see each other then.